The Paper Circuits kit is great fun and isn't just for paper. Today, let's use this pumpkin to make a light-up jack-o'-lantern. For this project, we'll use conductive tape, LEDs, and batteries from the kit, along with a scissors, tape, black paper, and the pumpkin to make the jack-o'-lantern. We'll cut a mouth out of black paper and stick it on with tape. Then we'll do the same with a nose. Now we'll wrap two separate pieces of conductive tape from the front to the back of the pumpkin. This will power our LEDs. Then we'll cut out two eyes from some black paper. Stick the LED through the eye and bend the positive lead up and negative lead down. Next, attach the eyes to the pumpkin, making sure to make good contact from the leads to the conductive tape. On the back, stick a battery on the lower piece of tape and complete the circuit with the upper piece of tape onto the positive of the battery. The eyes will light up. Congratulations, you just made your own jack-o'-lantern with the Brown Dog Gadgets Paper Circuit Kit. For even more fun, try our flashing LEDs for a spooky effect. Like and subscribe to this channel for more great projects and come visit us at browndoggadgets.com.